Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve another Leet codes database problem. So let randomly pick one. Okay, so we got another easy problem, which is 1581 customer who visited but did not make any transaction. So we have two tables, one is visits and another is transaction. So what we have to do is we have to how many visits they have and how many transactions they did. I'll just quickly go through the questions. Write a solution to find the IDs of user who visited without making any transaction and the number of time they made these type of visits. So return the result in the sorted in any order, so it doesn't matter. So let's just write a query. So what we have to do is we have visits and transaction, and I believe it is just quickly go through. Visit ID is a column with unique values, and this table contains information about customer visited the mall. Transaction ID is a column with unique values. For this table, constraint information about the transaction made during the visit ID. Okay, so just let's write select star from uh, visits I'm giving it alias as V, and join. So join in transactions, that is T on V dot. It should be left outer join because not necessary for each visit there is going to be a transaction. That's why I'm going left outer join here. We have to identify what are the transaction which does not have any visits. So what we can do is, where is visit id, so we have to join it on visit id. So v dot visit id is equal to t dot visit id, and what we have to do is we have to count. What they want is they want visit id first, so let's take it from visit id comma count of transactions transaction id. What I will do, I will just quickly change it to where transaction id is null. So what we will find is wherever it is null, it is going to give the transaction id. So let me just quickly run it. We have to do group by as well. I don't know why I forget that. Okay, and we got wrong answer. Why? Oh, they want customer id, not visit id. And so count of transaction id. Okay. So we cannot count transaction id, we will have to count one. So basically now we got the result. So why we got 0? Because we were counting transaction id, and as we have written null, it is going to be null. So instead of doing that, we have to find, we have already filtered transaction id. What happened? Okay, so we have already filtered transaction id, so we don't need to do it. so that's why I'm just counting one. So let me just run it once again because something was weird. Okay, now let's just submit it, and it worked. Okay, great. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.